Alright, so I have an experiment that I would like people to try, and it is about time dilation and recording a live stream with 3 or 4 devices. First, getting them to line up and getting one to move behind and ahead of the test feed. So first you're going to get all the feeds lined up together, at least 2 of them, and then when those 2 feeds are together, you will record it with a 3rd device. If you can get even 3 feeds and 3 devices synced at the same time, it would be even better, because they will start to diverge, and I want other people to confirm this, and by refreshing it or pushing the live icon or whatever, these devices skip ahead and behind by large variants of time. Now, I suspect that part of that could simply be, the ones that lag. I can understand that because, okay, maybe they're picking up the packets later than something else, but then when those same devices will be able to skip ahead of the control that's been just running live the entire time, it seems to indicate that there is something else going on with how fast something is playing or whatever. But when it's a live stream, this is why I want it to be a live stream from something where there's a continuous feed and somebody's putting it out from their device or whatever at that time. It's simply a live feed that you can get multiple devices connected to, but then these devices will run at different rates and will actually sometimes, if you've ever been sitting at a stoplight and you've seen turn signals synchronize for a slight moment and then go out of sync, you kind of wonder, okay, well, their flashing length is slightly different. So while it may for a moment appear to be synchronized, that small imperceptible difference becomes more perceptible the more times it happens. And so I'm thinking that there's a correlation to live feeds through our digital media, but then I'm almost thinking on a grander scale that this may be also what is happening from person to person, that there is some sort of a live stream that we all get, but we're getting it at slightly different times and in slightly different ways. Anyway, I hope I'm kind of making sense. If anybody else wants to try this experiment, let me know what happens with them. I would appreciate it. And yeah, God bless to you all. Have a great night.